What's going on YouTube? It's your boy T Analyst back with another trading video. Today we're gonna be talking about gold, and I don't know if some of you guys is in prop firms, if some of you guys is looking to trade gold, but I'm looking at gold today, and basically based off the strategy alone, you guys already know. I don't know if you guys, oh let me get this right. I don't know if you guys know, man, but we are using this strategy that I created. It's called the gap fill strategy. I might even change my name to gap fill, man, for real. I've been using this strategy for a while now, and it's amazing, man. And if you guys want to learn, make sure you guys stick around, drop a like on this video, subscribe. If you guys want one-on-one sessions, man, if you guys like the way I trade, how simple I make it, make sure you guys send me an email. I'll leave everything in the description. I'm gonna be making a Discord soon, so we could all be in there and we could all help each other out, and we could all just get a good psychology around this strategy because I think this is the 2024 strategy, man. You know, I created this. It's amazing. We just printing over here, man, and it's like it's about time I come to YouTube with it. I've been holding back for a while, so I'm here, man. I call this the GFC concept, man, because all I do is trade gap fills, like literally gap fills. Now, supply and demand, support and resistance, liquidity grabs, all of that is confluences for me. You know what I mean? But my main bias is my daily gap fill, and I feel like if any of you guys are trying to develop a strategy, you guys have to have a main bias. Like you guys have to have something that you guys look at that could determine which way you believe the market's gonna go. You know, I have an idea of where the market's gonna go for the majority of the day. That's how good this strategy has gotten me. I have made multiple thousands using this strategy, and I take demo accounts really seriously. A lot of people might say, yeah, it's not real money. Of course, it's not real money, but you gotta take it serious for when you do have real money. All right, guys. I didn't pass prop firms with this shot, and then I just got too cocky. You know what I mean? But I'm perfecting it every day. So let's just get straight into it with gold. All right. So pretty much my bias with gold is we sell off to fill this whole fair value gap right here, right? This whole gap. The market always needs to fill its gaps, right? We have a support area right here, okay? And now if you see this markup, this area should break soon because it's just a wick on a 4-hour time frame. So if I go to the 4-hour time frame, right, it's a wick. This indicates that this level on a 5-minute, 15-minute, whatever is weak. Look, this level itself right here, this level is breaking. I don't do these little level markups. It's just too much. I don't need to. But if you can see, we tapped into it, rejection. We tapped twice, reject at the same area. We tapped again and rejected. This area is gonna get blown past. I already know that. I delete this. This type of psychology comes from experience, guys. It really does. I never knew this before. This just comes with experience. It just comes with me knowing my stuff. And then on top of that, daily gap fill, which means anything underneath it, bears is more likely in control unless we close aggressive over it. Just like we close aggressive below it. You feel what I'm saying? So that's how you know who's in control. I know this from experience. This is tests. And also look at where it's aligned. There's a big gigantic gap here, and if you see where it's aligned, this area is really restricted. Now underneath it, all right. Now this is gonna take some time to play out. Obviously, why? Because we're not even in New York session. So I do probably see price coming back here, whatever. This is why I trade sessions. Because if you guys trade sessions, you can avoid all of this. All right. So some people will say, yo, just hop in the trade, put the stop loss behind here. How you know they might just come up here, close up here, taking them out, then dump? I don't know. I'm not chancing that. We're at a low area on a short term range where the price could come back up a little bit to form another double top to come down. I don't know. Regardless, this level did not break, and we're just waiting for it. But the point is, with this strat, the big move that we're looking for is the sell-off. Today's Friday, so I don't know if it'll sell off today, but according to, we can just look at the 2 real quick. According to the 2, price can just do its thing. You know what I mean? It could come back up. Or since it hit its resistance, kind of, right? It's wicking out. Now we could just come dump a little bit. Probably come down to this area. We have liquidity right here. It's attractive. It's really attractive right here. So I would anticipate the big sell off if we go to the daily. I don't look at the weekly. I don't do any of that stuff because I'm a day trader. Every time we trade in one day, we're trading this one candle, and this one candle, and this one, and this, and so forth. So some days you might catch this move, then there's days where you catch a doji. But if you're like that, you can catch this wick back down here to where it, you know what I'm saying? There's just so much ways how you can do this. Today, you never know. Today can be a day where we really dump and close. You know what I'm saying? We already wicked back up. This high might be finished. So honestly, if we're looking to hop into this trade and you're in a prop firm, if you made it this far in the video, congratulations, right? Point is, there's a chance that we don't go back above 2035, or we don't even go back above 2034, or this gap fill right here. Oh, this is actually on wrong. It's really supposed to be right here. This is where it's supposed to be. Or we don't go back above 2034, 0.325. These are levels where they already did what they had to do. So my stop loss would be over here, or I scale into like a 2 hour, right? Let me stretch that out. I scale into like a 2 hour, and then, you know, my let me delete that. Oh no, I did not mean to do that. There we go. All right. So stop loss behind this area, or behind this area right here, or this area. You get what I'm saying? Behind these wicks. And then we're just gonna target this liquidity right here. This area should break. So we're definitely, this is a support area. It could bounce here. But just looking at how these candles really print, there's really a chance, guys, we could just dump. Alright? But you see how there's like a little gap right here? I will look at possible bounces like around this area. You know, there's a chance price could just come here and bounce a little bit. But I know for sure the move will be to sell. The move with that, yeah. See, there's a lot going on right here. So I would definitely target 2029, right, as for a possible bounce. But I will be entering the trade once this level breaks. And this level, at least 2032.139. You know, or what you really want to do, right, is just get in at a resistance area, wherever we could see a nice clean resistance. Like this one would have been great. You know, you would have got in here, it would have tapped into the zone, you would have caught the sell. Yeah, entry would have been up here, and you would have you can catch this break or just wait for the break. Either way, I'm not getting in until 9:30. So what I like to do is just mark it up how I do it, like this. This is it. I mark up my chart like this. These are my levels that I'm looking for to break. Right? These are my little levels right here. Okay. I'm waiting. That's it. We either bounce here, we break here, and then we're just gonna, we know this 4 hour support area is definitely gonna bounce. So this is our area where we should think about getting out the trade. Alright, but as far as this session goes, I think New York session takes it all the way down, and then we bottom out or something like that. But if you're looking at gold, I would yes, I would hop in. I wouldn't go aggressive. Even if you was feeling confident about this whole analyst and you want to get in now, it's okay, but you're gonna have to have an aggressive stop loss. Like the stop loss, you want to put it behind 2038, or you know, you want to put it behind 2035, like around this area. Give it some room, like around here, and you want to at least your TP can be a liquidity grab, because they're gonna come grab liquidity. It's gonna happen. So I would target 2027.721, this area. They're gonna fill this whole gap, or you just hold it and get out like around 2022. Even though I believe they come down here, you could leave a runner, but I'll get out around here. So technically, the way I'll set it up before we end this video, we're gonna go for a short. Boom. You gotta have a stop loss here, and then you get target right here. Like, this is a banger. Look what you're catching. Like this is, wow. Like, that's a banger. Look at that risk to reward. You just caught 2,300 points. Like, 2,300 pips is crazy, bro. Like, if you ask me, that's a win. Stop loss here. If you're really feeling good, you can have a stop loss. You got a stop loss right here. Right there. You're risking 750 to win 89, my nigga. That 8,900 is crazy. Come on, dude. Come on, dude. Come on, dude. Come on. That is the setup, man. I think gold is a sell. If you guys want to learn more, this is the daily gap fill strategy mastermind class. This is what it is. It's gonna take me to the moon, man. I just want to share it with you guys. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and let's just watch this play out, guys. All right. If you are looking to look for a trade today, be biased towards these gold sells, but wait at least to New York session, at least 8:30ish. All right. Come back to this video, and we'll see how it plays out. All right. Catch y'all on the next one.